Introduction to Power Automate.
Power Automate is a cloud-based service from Microsoft that helps you create automated workflows between your favorite Office apps. These workflows, called flows, can perform repetitive tasks like moving files, sending emails, and updating data, helping you focus on what matters most.
Getting started with Power Automate.
To begin, sign in to Power Automate using your Microsoft account. Starting from the home page, you can explore templates or create a flow from scratch. Choose the apps you want to connect, such as Word, Excel, or Outlook, and set up triggers and actions based on your routine needs.
Automating tasks in Outlook.
With Power Automate, you can automate tasks in Outlook, like automatically saving email attachments to a specified folder, flagging priority messages, or sending personalized replies. Select a trigger, such as receiving a new email, and define the actions you want Power Automate to handle for you.
Streamlining work in Excel and Word.
Automate tasks in Excel by collecting form responses or updating spreadsheets automatically. In Word, you can automatically generate documents using data from emails or forms. Set up flows to create, save, and distribute documents, or to ensure that reports update themselves based on the latest information.
Tips for successful automation.
Start simple. Choose basic flows to get comfortable. Test your flows and monitor how they run so you can troubleshoot any issues. Use built-in templates for common tasks and customize them as needed. Power Automate provides logs and alerts, making it easy to track everything and maintain control over your Office automations.
Unlocking greater productivity.
By automating routine activities with Power Automate, you free up time and reduce errors in your daily Microsoft Office work. Whether you're managing emails, updating spreadsheets, or generating documents, Power Automate can make these processes seamless and more efficient, transforming the way you work.